Protecting your privacy is important, especially when you are sharing files online. In this video, I will show you how to hide the owner of a file when sharing through Google Drive. This method keeps your account details private while still allowing others to access the document. The steps are simple and work perfectly for documents, spreadsheets, images, or nearly any file stored in your Drive. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Google Drive homepage. If you are not already logged in, enter your Google account details to access your files. Once you are on the main screen, take a moment to locate the file you want to share. You can scroll through your folders or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. When you see the file, click on it once to select it. This will highlight the document and reveal several icons along the top of the window. Among these icons, look for the Share button. It is the one that looks like a small person with a plus sign beside it. Clicking this button opens the sharing settings for the selected file here. You can control who can view or edit the document. Most files begin with restricted access, meaning only you or specific people can open them. To change this, click where it says restricted and open the menu that appears. In this menu, choose the option labeled anyone with the link. This allows anyone you share the link with to access the file, but it still shows the owner's details by default. To hide those details, we will adjust the type of link you send. Start by clicking the Copy Link button. This copies the file's shareable URL to your clipboard. Next, open a new tab in your browser and paste the link into the address bar. Before pressing enter, look closely at the end of the URL. You will see the word edit in the link. Remove the word edit completely and replace it with the word copy. This small change transforms the link into a special version that forces the viewer to make their own copy of the file. Now, press enter. You will be taken to a page that shows a simple make a copy prompt. When someone uses this link, Google Drive will ask them to save their own version of the file directly into their drive. Because they are working from their own copy, they will not see your name, your email address, or any owner information. And that is all you need to do. By using this method, you can safely share files from Google Drive without exposing your identity or account details. It is an effective way to collaborate, distribute documents, or share resources while maintaining an extra layer of privacy. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials to help you manage your digital tools with confidence.